Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the forming process, or especially deep drawing process of a composite plates. Here we have a steel, then we have CFRP as a composite, and then the steel plate. Between these two steel plates we have the interface, and that's the CFRP. And if I click on animate, you can see the process of the punch moving, and this is the die, and these are the plates here. Let me check it here, and now let me remove the punch here, and you can see that here. 3-layer deep drawing or forming process of the steel-CFRP-steel plate. Okay, if I replace just the top and the bottom to a steel plate, you can see the deformation. This is the stress, and we can check the displacement for it, the thickness, the plastic strain, you can see that, or anything else. And now let me replace the CFRP as a middle core. You can see that we use elastic plastic model for this steel, and for this we use the laminar elasticity, also the Hashing damage model. And then the stress, it is too much, the failure happen here and here like this. And also we have a paper about this. Here is the paper about the fiber metal laminate sheet and something like that, and you can see it here, and these are the layer of the composite, and here you can see some defect or error in the model and the delamination. Anything else, you can see that here, and this is the microscope. This is the microscopic image of the process. You can see there is the delamination here, and we can check the damage also for this, but this plate damaged because of this high stress, and it means the CFRP here should be more stronger. Also the analysis should be more static than the dynamic one. So if you need to model the deep drawing process of the multi-layer plate steel and CFRP, you can provide this tutorial, and it will show you the modeling and simulation step by step, and you can provide this from our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title or blue sign, then you will have a short explanation about the process, geometry, material, step interaction law, and then the result as figures. The file or the tutorial contains CA, INP, paper, and English video file, step by step, and the cost is 26, and you can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, you need to send me an email to this address, then I will tell you about the purchasing process. And if you have any questions regarding to the tutorial, we will be available all times. Also, we have We have a full package here in the package section of the website that you can provide it here. The full package contains around 430 tutorials about all aspects of the modeling and simulation in the Abaqus, and you can see the summary of the titles here, but it contains more. And the cost for that is too logical, and the student also can afford that. You can provide this, and it is very good for all students, engineer and PhD students or teachers. Before that, send me an email to tell you the additional information about our full package. Thank you for your attention.